Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change your TikTok country or location. What you need to do. Now if I go to TikTok, you can see now my location is Vietnam. Now it show me here in Vietnam. As you can see, here is the Vietnamese language. But if I want to reach other country, or for example, if I want to audience from other country to see my profile, if I want to sell or promote anything, then I need to change my location. To change my location, I use a VPN, Ivasi. It's easy to use, and I will leave the link in the description below if you want to check it out. Now, for example, I select United States and then just click to connect. Wait for a few seconds. It's already connected now. Your location, United States. Now let me refresh the site. You can see now even the main page it changed. And more here it's in English language, because now TikTok, they think that I live in United States, and now I can reach more audience from United States. And even it's the same if I want to choose other country. Let's we say Germany or France or whatever. Okay, let me choose now Germany. Then click to connect. Wait for a few seconds. Okay, it's already connected now to Germany. Your location, Germany. Okay, now let me refresh the site. Yeah, now it show me more people in Germany. Other thing, if you use your mobile, just use a VPN and remove your SIM card, because I prefer to use the laptop. That's why if you use the laptop, you need only the VPN to change your location. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. And just you can check the link in the description below. Thank you and see you.